All right, time is up, guys. Let's look at the answers. Hi, what do you think is picture number one?
Picture number one, I see a certification, so I think this is match with the word qualification.
Excellent, you are correct. Yes, qualification. What about number two, Lowen?
Number two is knowledge.
Knowledge, fantastic. Jasmine, what do you think is number three?
Number three, I think it is personal characteristics.
Excellent, you are correct. And Kate, what do you think number four is?
Number four is graduate.
Graduate, excellent. So let's review uh, our pronunciation, right? So you guys know this one, right? I'm going to say the words. You're going to listen carefully to the pronunciation. Then we're going to practice. All right. Career, knowledge, academics, academic, academic, technical, qualification, solve, personal characteristics, graduate, ideal. All right, so we have a lot of words here. Continuous with time. All right. So I'll call your names and you tell me two random words, right? Fong, let's start with you, please.
Career, knowledge,
Fantastic. Hi.
Yes. Academic, technical,
Fantastic. Um, Lowen.
Qualification, personal characteristic.
Excellent, Lowen. Jasmine.
Uh, Graduate, ideal.
Fantastic. Jasmine, just small detail here. The emphasis is on ideal.
Ideal.
Excellent. Not ideal, ideal. Wonderful. And Kate, please.
Ideal.
Qualification, solve.
Patient and solve. Excellent job. Fantastic, all of you. Any questions? No?
No.
No, teacher.
So let's look at some grammar points then. So here we're going to identify the use of already, just, and yet in these sentences here. Kai, can you read these sentences for us, please?
yes. I have already got a job offer on Monday. John has John has just graduated from college. They haven't graduated yet. Have you been Have you been to Hội An yet?
Awesome. Yeah. So we have our four sentences and our words, right? Already, just, and yet. So these are the way that they are used, right? The use of these words. So let's take a look at already in this sentence here. What do we think is of the four? Lowen, for number one, what do you think?
I think already we use to show that an action has happened very recently.
has happened very close already to show an action that has happened sooner than expected.
Yeah.
Awesome. Jasmine, what about just in the second one here?
Thus is to show that an action. No, thus is to show that an action has happened very recently.
Excellent. Yeah, that one is the action very recently. Perfect. What about yet in the third one? Kate.
Yes, to show that an action is going to happen but haven't happened.
Okay, this is going to happen, but hasn't happened. Perfect. And Fong, how about yet in the fourth question?
Yes, another way to use the word yes in the sentence is to ask if an action has happened.
Yes, to ask if an action has happened. Fantastic. All right, so let's do some practice. Here, we're going to fill in each blank with already, just, or yet. Wonderful. Lowen, can you read the example number 0, please?
I have already started work for a month now.
They have already started. Fantastic. So here we have the questions. You have 1 minute to complete them. Here is the activity, and go. All right, time is up, you guys. Let's look at the answers. Jasmine, can you read number 1, please?
Number 1. She has got a job offer but hasn't started working yet.
Started working yet. Fantastic. Number 2, please, Kate.
Chance had just applied for new jobs today.
Perfect. Fong, number 3.
They have already tried to contact her twice. There's no point in trying again.
Perfect. And Kai, number 4.
Yes, she got the job offer yet?
Excellent. Excellent job, you guys. Let's move on to our reading tasks. Hold on a minute. Yeah. So let's move on to our reading tasks. So here we're going to rank the following skills from most important, not very important, and least important. So we have, first one is time management skills, communication skills, and technical skills. Let's start with you, Kate. What do you think?
For me, I'm a seller, so the most important skill is a communication skill because I need to like talk with my client and build the relationship with my client. And the second one is time management skill because if I can manage my time, so I can work efficiency with my client and not missing the deadline. And the least important is technical skill. If I have technical skill, I will like understand my product will be selling.
Perfect. Perfect. Phone, what about you?
I think choosing the most important skill is depend on what type of job that we are doing. For me, I think communication skill is the most important skill, and the second is technical skill, and the least important skill is time management.
All right, perfect. Kylie, what do you think?
Yes, I think all of these skills important for me. However, in order to rank these skills, I think the most important skill for me is a communication skill, same as to my classmates. And the second, not very important skill is time management skill, and the last one is technical skill.
Fantastic. Loan, what do you think?
I totally agree with my classmates. It depends on your job and your role in the company. So with me as a manager in the company, I think the most important is the communication skill. And the second one is the time management skill. And when you manage the team good enough, so the technical skill is the least important because your team member can work as well.
Perfect. Perfect job, Loan. And last but not least, Jasmine, what do you think?
I see all skills is very important to me because I work in IT industry. But if I have to rank them, I choose technical skill is the most important. Absolutely, I have in IT industry, so I need to have technical skills to design and implement websites or applications. Next, communication skills is not very important because I also need to communicate with my clients and discuss about my products. And lastly, time management skill is the least important.
Perfect. Perfect, you guys. So lots of communication skills everybody likes. And depending on the job, technical skills. Fantastic. So let's look at our reading then. So here we're going to complete the sentence with no more than 3 words from the reading. Right? Here is the reading, and here are the questions. So let's very quickly look at how we do this. So step 1 is we read through the text very quickly to know what it's talking about. So we read through it. I'll give you guys about 1 minute to read through the text here. Right? I think that's probably good. So we read what it's about. Next, we understand, we read and understand the sentences and find the keywords. So for number one, it's possible that you're thinking of how to improve your blank. Keywords are possible, thinking of how, and improve. For number two is great, think about, further steps, and working, right? It is great to think about the further steps in your working blank. So the keywords for number two. Step three is we look for similar sentences with a similar meaning in the text. So for number one, a similar text is this one. You are probably thinking about how to improve your career options. Number two is down here. It's always a good idea to think about the next steps in your working life. So we see here, number one, it best matches career options. So we know it's career options, right? Step number four, we find the grammar and check the grammar and the word limit up here, right? Excellent. So we know that it's a noun phrase, so check. It's within the word limit, check. Right. Fong, what is number two, do you think?
It's great to think about the further steps in your working life.
In your working life. Fantastic. We see here life. A noun, check, and within the word limits, check. Right? So that's how we do the reading exercises. So let's practice. Let's practice some of this. So here we have the same exercise. Complete the sentence with no more than 3 words. Here is the reading and the questions here. Right, so let's follow the steps here that we've learned to do this practice. Right, so step one, right? What are the keywords in the first sentence, Kai?
Yes. Ready for a career, need to work your knowledge and skill. But yet,
Very good,
that's all.
Kai, very good. Yeah, you got a lot of them right. Yeah. So ready for career, work, knowledge and skill set. Fantastic. Just on over here. Wonderful. What about the second one, Lowen?
Need information, a career area, perform a certain job.
Perfect. Need, information, career area, excellent, and perform and well. Right? Wonderful. So step three, we look at the sentences and find something familiar, right? So here's the first one. Jasmine. So what do you think with the first one here? What do you think is the answer for number one?
The answer in number one is personal characteristics.
All right, so can you read it, please?
To be ready for career, we need to work not only on our knowledge and skill set, but also on our personal characteristics.
Fantastic. Yes, personal characteristics. Right. So here is the second one, right? Something similar. Kate, what do you think is the answer for number 2?
The answer for number 2. You really understand information for career area. Sorry. I have a little bit confused.
All right, so let's read it together. The sentence in the text reads, knowledge includes the academic or technical information that you need for a career area or a specific job.
You need academic or technical information for a career area to perform a certain job well.
Fantastic. Excellent. This is good. Sometimes in the exercises, in the questions, the sentence will be changed around a little bit. It'll be the same sentence, same meaning, but just the other way around, right? Have to pay attention to that. Questions? No?
No question.
No.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
So, here we have a text, right? We're going to read the text and look at the, and complete the answers here, right? All right, so first let's look at the keywords, right? Just for the sake of time here. Keywords for number 1, skills, time management, ability, and teamwork. For number 2, necessary, understand, personality types, ideal, and different job and careers. Number 3, excellent, can't guarantee, happiness, your career. And number 4, spend some time and consider, right? Our 4 sentences here. You have 3 minutes to complete the activity, okay? So read the text and complete the activity. Here is the exercise and go.
I haven't got the assignment, teacher.
You didn't get the assignment?
Yes.
Hold on.
It's okay.
It's okay now? Perfect.
Problem solving skill.
right, guys, that is time. Let's look at our answers. Fong, can you read number 1 for us, please?
Skills include both technical and non-technical, such as time management, the ability to communicate, and teamwork.
All right. Communicate. Fantastic. Number 2, please, Kai.
Yes, it's necessary to understand what personal characteristics and personal types are ideal for different jobs and careers.
Fantastic, Kai. Yes, personal characteristics. Number 3, please, Loan.
Excellent. Academic qualifications can't guarantee happiness in your career if your job doesn't match your personality.
Fantastic. And number 4, Jasmine.
Number 4, you should spend more time to consider your future.
Consider your future. Excellent. Fantastic, guys. All right, so let's take turns talking about your, any skills, abilities, and qualifications you have. Let's start by looking at an example. All right. Kate, can you read the first part of the conversation, please?
Have you graduated yet? I haven't graduated yet, but I'm going to graduate this year.
Excellent. Fong, can you continue for us, please?
What have you done to improve your knowledge in social work? I have just interned at a software company. It helps me improve my time management skills and teamwork.
Excellent. And Kai, can you finish the conversation, please?
Have you attended any courses to improve or learn any new skills? Yes, I have. I've already taken a public speaking course to give presentation confidently.
Excellent. So, this is the structure that we're going to be practicing, right? You guys are going to be placed in pairs. There's one group that has 3 people, okay? And you're going to practice asking these questions, right? And answering them in this way, okay? For this question here, have you graduated yet? If you have, you can say, yes, I have graduated. I have blah, 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 right? Like this. All right. So I'm going to put you guys in the groups. Question, Tom?
No, I have no question.
So here in the chat is the instructions, right? Give me one quick second to set up the groups. And
Hi.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi. I will ask you first, okay?
Sure, it's okay.
Okay. Have you graduated that?
I graduated in 2012 in marketing degree. And how about you?
I have graduated. I have graduated in. I remember in 2022. With a
2022.
with a degree in management information system from Hanoi University of Science and Technology.
Okay, good to know that. And
Okay.
what have you done to improve your knowledge in social work?
I have done an internship at Gnam Group, a small technology company, where I learned how to become a business analyst. And then I moved to Viettel Group, that is a big company in telecom. How about you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you say what you're actually your company?
Ah,
Can you say
the first company was Gnam Group, and
Gnam? Okay.
the second was Viettel Group. I guess you know. Yes.
Actually, I cannot hear it. What is it?
Viettel, in Vietnamese, we call Viettel. In English, we have Viettel. Yes.
Viettel.
Yes.
In Viettel Group, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it. For me, I work for a Japanese company that supply and manufacture spare part for excavator and dozer. So I have worked for 4 years until now.
Oh.
For me,
I guess you were born in 1998, right?
1990.
Okay. Have you attended any courses to improve or learn any new skills, get any qualification?
Actually, from the past until now, I just learned everything by myself by searching in Google or in the internet. But recently, I just taken a class that that's for statistics and Excel to improve my skill and my skill for Excel.
Mm, sounds
It's good
great.
now. I will improve it.
Mm. Oh,
So
can I ask what do you do now?
I'm a seller for a Japanese company. They make a spare part for those in excavator in the construction in the mining site.
Uh, okay. For me, I haven't attended any courses to learn any new skills because uh,
This meeting is being recorded.
All right, welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at the presentation then. So you guys are going to present what you guys talked about. Let's start with Kate and Jasmine. You guys can start. You guys can decide who does what.
Sure. Jasmine, have you graduated yet?
yes, I have graduated in 2022 with a degree in Management Information System from Hanoi University of Science and Technology.
For me, I have graduated in 2020, and I have a degree in marketing in so in a Sulawesi College in Benhua City. And what have you done to improve your knowledge in social work?
Sorry, teacher asked us one question, right?
I'm sorry, can you ask that again?
Uh, you want us ask and answer only questions.
You can just one ask and the other answer. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay. You please continue the question. And what have you done to improve your knowledge in social work?
Yes, I have done an internship at Genam Group, a small technology company, where I learned how to become a business analyst. And then I moved to Viettel Group, that is a big company in telecom.
For me, I already work for a Japanese company that's supplying and manufacturing spare part for excavator and those in the construction and mining sites. And until now, I work for 4 years.
Oh, it's amazing.
Uh,
Have
for
you?
me, for me, for me, because I selling product to overseas markets, so I good at management, uh, documentation, and can be effectively work in a team. I'm also work well in Microsoft Office, like Word and Excel. So I am confident to work in my job.
Oh, sounds great. Have you attended any courses to improve or learn any new skills? Get any qualification?
For me, until now, I learn everything by myself by Google search everything information in internet. But recently, I have taken a class for statistic and Excel to improve my office my Microsoft Office skill now. And for you, do you have attained any course to improve your learn any skill or get any qualification?
Yes, I have attended online English course to improve my English skills. With other skills, I don't attend any courses because I learn I learned some skills during I work, such as problem solving skills or communication skills. I practice and learn during I work
I
in
work
my
for
job.
work.
Yes.
Okay, I got
All
it.
right,
Thank you,
guys, that's
Eric.
okay here. That's okay here because we're going to run out of time. Excellent job, both of you. Very, very good. Next, we're going to do Kai, you're going to answer, and Loan, you're going to ask. Okay? You guys can start, please.
Okay, hello, hi. Have you graduated yet?
Hello, Long. I have graduated for 19 years since 2005.
Yeah. What have you done to improve your knowledge in your work?
I have worked as a leader in software development department in a software company. It helped me improve my time management skills and teamwork skills.
Wow, it's great. And have you attended any courses to improve or learn any new skills?
Yes, I have, of course. My company let me have to learn, have to study many skills. to improve my job. So I have already taken an English course and business management course to help me in my work, in my job.
Okay, excellent.
All right. So that's the guys. Let's bring you move a little quicker because of the time. Right. So seven, you're now answering, and go on next 1 month this.
Yeah, have you graduated yet?
Hi, Miss Wang. I have graduated for 13 years. I'm have 13 years experience about credit, retail credit and lending solution. And now I'm working as a senior expert in a commercial bank.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And what have you done to improve your knowledge in banking industry?
In my company, um, people have their own training roadmap for each other, for each person. And we have many internal courses to improve the knowledge and the skill that is need for the work. And and there's many deadline for this. You must to be done the in internal course.
Yeah, I understand. And have you attended any courses to improve your or learn any new skills?
English is the most important for me now. So I'm learning English in in the app to improve my English skill to communicate with foreign colleagues.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. English right now is really important for any job.
Fantastic, guys. Just to be on time, right? Very, very good job, you guys. There's not any real problems. The only thing that I heard, well, usually say is for, 13 years, for example, right? I graduated for 13 years, right? So a good way to see it would be I graduated 13 years ago. It would be a little bit of a better way to say it. But other than that, really, really good, you guys. Yeah, fantastic. Come on, let's get back to this. So do you think you were ready for your exam? What do you think? Exactly. What do you think about this?
Yes, actually, I have worked in my dream job since I was university student.
Okay, you have excellent. Uh, lovely. Guys, today we talked about using vocabulary, about skills and qualifications. We've talked about being career ready. Use a pleasant perfect tense to talk about your experience. And read and understand the main factors in being career ready. And the fourth one, applying The reading skills, the answer sentences, sentence completion questions. All right, don't forget your homework. I am sorry for the class tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.